Ever wondered why researchers seem to get tangled up in debates about reality and knowledge? Well, it all boils down to three philosophical concepts that form the backbone of any research venture: ontology, epistemology, and axiology. Let's start with ontology. In the simplest of terms, ontology is the study of being and reality. It poses questions about what exists, the nature and structure of the world, and how these elements interact with each other. Next, we have epistemology, which delves into the realm of knowledge. It questions how we understand what we know, the sources from which this knowledge springs, and the methods we use to validate it. Lastly, we encounter axiology, the study of values and ethics. It scrutinizes the moral implications of our actions, the values we hold dear, and how these shape our understanding of knowledge and reality. These three pillars are fundamental to any research project. But why? To understand their importance, we need to delve deeper into each one. Firstly, let's explore ontology. This branch of philosophy is concerned with the nature of reality. It's about what exists, what doesn't, and how we classify the world around us. As researchers, our ontological beliefs shape our understanding of the world and influence the methods we choose to investigate it. For instance, if a researcher believes in a single objective reality, they might opt for quantitative methods to measure and analyze. However, if they believe in multiple subjective realities, qualitative methods might be their go-to, focusing on understanding individual experiences and perceptions. Next, let's talk about epistemology. This is all about knowledge and how we come to know things. It influences how a researcher collects and interprets data. Epistemology asks questions like, what counts as knowledge? How can we be sure of what we know? A researcher with a positivist epistemology might prioritize empirical evidence, while an interpretivist might value subjective experiences and personal interpretations. Last, but certainly not least, we have axiology. This deals with values and ethics. It's about what we consider important, what we value, and how our values shape our behavior. In research, axiology influences the decisions we make throughout the process. From our choice of topic to how we collect and interpret data, it prompts us to consider our biases, our ethical responsibilities, and the potential impact of our research. A researcher with a strong axiology might prioritize ethical considerations and strive for social change. In essence, these three concepts, ontology, epistemology, and axiology, determine how a researcher perceives, understands, and navigates their research. They're like the compass, map, and ethical guidebook for the journey of inquiry. And understanding them can help us conduct more thoughtful, rigorous, and meaningful research. Now imagine a research project as a ship sailing the sea of knowledge. Ontology, epistemology, and axiology play pivotal roles akin to the ship's hull, compass, and captain's principles, respectively. Ontology, the study of what exists, forms the very hull of your research ship. It shapes the structure of your inquiry, determining what you can explore and how you can navigate the sea of knowledge. Meanwhile, epistemology, the study of knowledge itself, serves as your compass. It guides how you gather and interpret data, pointing you towards the truth, just as a compass leads a ship towards its destination. And then, there's axiology, the study of values and ethics. This is akin to the captain's principles, guiding how you conduct your research, ensuring you respect the rights, values, and dignity of those involved. So next time you dive into a research project, remember, your ontology is your ship, your epistemology is your compass, and your axiology is your guiding principle. Navigate wisely.